Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best air fryer with rotisserie is Belicious Large Air Fryer. This air fryer convection oven extra large air fryer oven with 19 plus N presets and all of the functions you may need for a large family daily cooking and home party. 2-level even cooking finish whole family meal at once. Fit in 13-inch pizza, 9 sliced toasts, 6 pounds rotisserie chicken, 10 pounds turkey. Suitable for most 13-inch pans, 12-cup muffin trays, and Dutch oven up to 6 QT. 1800 watts high power generate 360 degrees hot airflow produces crispier exterior and moist tender interior with little to no oil. Double glass door heat insulation reduces heat loss effectively reduces preheat time. One machine to fulfill air fry, bake, roast, broil, toast, dehydrate, rotisserie, defrost, warm, proof, and so on. The innovative dual cook function enables you to combine any two functions in preset. Make complex recipes effortless and enrich the dish's flavor. Come with a cookbook including 30 effortless recipes. All accessories are detachable and dishwasher safe, including fry basket, oven rack, baking pan, rotisserie SPI. Number 2 in our side is Chefman Digital Air Fryer. This versatile product functions as an air fryer, rotisserie oven and dehydrator, perfect for nearly any cooking task. Make better for you fries that are just as crispy and tasty, roast a whole chicken, or dehydrate that leftover pineapple you've been meaning to eat. This multifunctional air fryer cooks faster than an oven and does not require preheating, while helping you achieve a healthy, crispy, fried finish using at least 98% less oil than traditional fryers. The capacitive touchscreen display is easy to use, temperature range of 90 to 400 degrees and 8 preset options make a kitchen task easy from frying and roasting to dehydrating and baking. Interior lighting allows you to easily watch your food as it cooks. Accessories include 2 airflow racks, rotisserie spit and forks, rotating basket/retrieval tool and drip tray. Removable drip tray and dishwasher safe parts make cleaning a breeze. Either way, this air fryer was thoughtfully designed with the whole family in mind. The spacious 6.3-quart unit allows you to make plenty of food so you can make enough food for the whole family without having to heat up your oven. For details, let's watch more. Third in our best air fryer with rotisserie list is Ultrine Air Fryer Oven. This air fryer convection oven extra large air fryer oven with 19 plus N presets and all of the functions you may need for a large family daily cooking and home party. 2-level even cooking finish whole family meal at once. Fit in 13-inch pizza, 9 sliced toasts, 6 pounds rotisserie chicken, 10 pounds turkey. Suitable for most 13-inch pans, 12-cup muffin trays, and Dutch oven up to 6 QT. 1800 watts high power generate 360 degrees hot airflow produces crispier exterior and moist tender interior with little to no oil. Double glass door heat insulation reduces heat loss effectively reduces preheat time. Reduce your cooking time by using the Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Use the convection fan for fast and even cooking especially if you like crispy results. This function is perfect for a rotisserie chicken. Check out the included 100 recipe book and 6 accessories such as the crumb tray, fry basket, food tray, wire rack, and rotisserie fork set for more cooking options. To purchase a toaster oven baking set. Our fourth pick is iGoStar Air Fryer. iGoStar Air Fryer Toaster Oven is an air fryer, also a rotisserie, dehydrator, pizza grill and oven toaster. Smart versatility with 10 preset functions including rotisserie, dehydrate, pizza, roast, air fryer, toast, bagel, bake, broil and cookies. The air fryer uses food grade and BPA-free material. Ensure your healthy life. Automatic shut off. When open the door, stop heating, close the door, resume heating. The air fryer oven will shut down when the timer is done. 13 quarts air fryer oven, compact space-saving body with large capacity that enough for family-sized meals. The drip tray has been coated with a high-quality material to make cleanup easy. Removable door design make life easier. Open the door in 40 degrees, hold the handle and pull it up. Door cleaning isn't a problem anymore. The air fryer toaster oven comes with a high-quality LED touchscreen, which includes 10 preset menus for super easy use. With adjust temperature and longer timer. The air fryer also has auto shut-off function and efficient heat dissipation system. It's easy to get that crispy crunch on vegetables, chicken wings, French fries, and more. Cyclone technology circulates super hot air around the air fryer oven, creating fast, delicious and healthy food with up to 80% less oil. Cook your meal quickly, saving 50% time in cooking. Last in this list is Crownful Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Crownful multifunctional air fryer oven is your new go-to appliance for frying, baking, roasting, toasting, grilling, dehydrating, reheating and more. Cooking has never been so easy, fast and convenient with this all-in-one cooking machine. This air fryer toaster oven adopts the new technology of cooking food using the 360 degrees hot air circulation. With using only a little to no oil, you can get a crispy and crunchy texture just like the old traditional way of deep frying. You will be able to enjoy your favorite fried meals and snacks without worrying about the added calories and fats. With its 19-quart large capacity, you'll be sure to have enough space to fit a whole chicken or cook meals that will serve the whole family. It's perfect for making large batches of food even for your guests. The extra accessories included would surely be helpful in giving you more ideas on different types of dishes to cook. It also comes with a cookbook with various sumptuous recipes you can try for the family. The air fryer and its accessories are non-stick, so it's very easy to clean. You just need to use a damp cloth for cleaning the exterior and interior part of the unit. Cooking has become easy with just touching a few buttons. It has a built-in LED display that shows the different settings for time, temperature and cooking modes. It comes with control buttons and knob that set the unit's cooking functions. For details, let's watch more.